disappear.
Oh my God!
What? I can't believe that! Hi! Today I gonna show you some coin tricks!
Oh yeah!
Wow, new one!
Yay!
Are you ready? I am ready! Huh? Look! I gonna make this coin disappear! Look what I gonna do with this! Look, nothing, right? Yes, nothing. Look, what's gonna happen? Watch. Now I'm gonna show you another trick. Wow, another one. All what we need is a water bottle and a coin. I'm gonna push it through the lid all the way down. What? Okay, show me. Let's begin the magic. Woo!
Oh my God!
What? How? It's inside. Wow! Ha! I told you I'm gonna do it. Wow, that was a good one. Now I gonna make it go down. Wait, I'm thirsty. I will be back. Well, he's gone. I gonna show you how to get it down.
Shh!
Yoo-hoo!
Cool!
And now I'm taking a similar coin to trick my brother. I'm taking a bottle and there's a coin inside, so I'm hiding it with my thumb, like that. And my second coin on top. All what you have to do, just take it fast, like this. I'm ready. And now, next trick. Yes. Luca, watch. Watch how I do it carefully. You see?
Yeehaw!
What? How? Real magic! For this trick, we're gonna need a bottle, a coin, and a marble, and a paper tube that's completely empty. And the coin is the same size. So when I put the coin on top, doesn't go down. When the marble goes down, the coin just falls out. But we gonna use a paper tube because it's the same size as a cow. So we're gonna let it stay. Watch. First I'm gonna do like the stage first. You see? It falls out. Look and learn. You see? Look. See? Easy. It was tough fun. Oh yeah. But now I have an easy one special for you. As I promised, an easy one for my brother. Maybe it will be easy one for you. For this trick, we will need a bunch of coins. Now let's build a triangle. Ha! Please move circle. I'm gonna do it. Yay! We gonna feel like Luca. Matt, I do not know. Okay, brother, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, watch. Wow! I can't believe that. Now I have another challenge for you. Yay! Let me put them first. You only have to move one coin to have 4 in each line. Begin. Can you help me? I'm gonna give you a hint. Yay! It is actually a trick. Now I know! Wow! Wow, you made it! Yeah. Once again! 1, 2, 3.